So I remember I was on my solo vacation in Ireland and I was walking in Kilmore Abbey and suddenly I get a call from Bugs. Sorry. I get a call from Bugs.
सिर्फ आयरलैंड में आ जाए. I was in Ireland.
Shut up.
You think so? हम कितने शिद्दत वाले एक्टर हैं. प्रोसेस में आते हैं, प्रोसेस करते हैं, फिर प्रोसेस होके चले जाते हैं.
From the biggest star all the way down, they have OTT releases now.
That you want your movie to reach the audience, and there's no distinction कि ये अच्छा है, ये बुरा है. So we are of course very happy and thrilled it's coming on theatre. I'm sure for all of us.
I love going
You
to
know?
the theatre.
But at the end of the day,
Yeah.
we are in the theatre for the audience.
If it goes straight to OTT, then you miss the chance of ever seeing it on the big screen,
Yeah.
right? And there is still a nostalgic magic that I feel when I watch something on the big screen. So I love it.
तो होता है जब 70 mm में ऑडियंस जाती है, अपॉइंटमेंट लेके जाती है, फोन ऑफ करके जाती है, तो आपको you're watching it like you're looking up.
Look at this.
That
It's
energy of an
huge.
entire audience watching one film together at the same time, I think it's
Cinema
fantastic.
in a movie, you do a 5-minute role, and if you have a good impactful role, people remember. That's the
Yeah.
power of 70 mm, that Dolby, that darkness, that.
I mean, that was the original conception of it, right? You go to something larger than life and immerse yourself into this thing that's humongous.
हेलो हाय आदाब नमस्कार सत श्री अकाल. आप देखना शुरू कर चुके हैं गलाटा इंडिया और मेरा नाम है अविनाश पाल. बहुत सारे सवाल हैं, इसके लिए मेरे साथ इसकी कास्ट मौजूद है. मेरे साथ है जिम, अमित, मंजरी एंड केतकी. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल स्वागत है आप सबका.
Thank you.
फिल्म का जो मैंने ट्रेलर देखा उससे रिलेटेड कुछ सवाल हैं. सबसे पहले तो ये बताओ इस फिल्म में एंट्री कैसे हुई आप लोगों की? फिल्म का ड्राफ्ट कैसे मिला? क्या कुछ था जो क्लिक किया कि ये बेहतर है, ये कर सकते हैं? क्या कुछ था? फर्स्ट थॉट.
It was brought to you first, right?
Yeah.
I think so.
So, Bugs Bhargav, इनके साथ मैं एक पहले पिक्चर कर चुका हूँ.
बरूट.
बैलेट हाउस, मंजरी भी थी उसमें, हम दोनों ने एक साथ में किया था. और कोविड के दौरान मुझे एक दिन ऐसी फ़ोन आया कि अमित एक कहानी बना रहे हैं राहुल और मैं. मेरे पास आए, उन्होंने मुझे बताया कि एक प्ले था हमारा और ये बनाया, ये कास्ट है, जिम है. आई थिंक दे हैड स्पोकन टू यू. Well, I remember them telling me the cast, maybe in the second meeting, but I remember them telling me कि ये cast है, मंजरी, जिम, ऐसा ऐसा. And I think Ketki was not cast. They had not spoken to you at that time, I think. And मुझे स्टोरी बहुत अच्छी लगी और कहीं ना कहीं मुझे बहुत फैसिनेशन है थिएटर से. इसलिए मुझे जिम के साथ भी वक्त बिताने में बहुत अच्छा लगता है, बिकॉज जब जिम थिएटर की बातें करता है तो इतना पैशनेटली करता है. सो मेरे को ये एक है कि मैं भी आई वांट टू एक्सपीरियंस स्टेज. मैंने इतना नहीं किया, मैंने 1-2 ही प्ले किए थे एंड दैट्स कैन नॉट बी कॉल्ड सो. तो एक तो आई वाज वेरी एक्साइटेड कि ये एक प्ले से अडेप्टेड है. सो उसकी वजह से जो उसकी राइटिंग है, इस कहानी का जो कैरेक्टर्स में जो लेयरिंग है, मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी. एंड आई हैड फेथ इन बग्स. And Rahul Dukun also doesn't need any introduction, the kind of commitment he has to the work that he's done over so many years and towards theatre. So I kind of felt that I'm in a safe place. For me sometimes I think just being in a safe place with good people is, मुझे इतना होता है कि हाँ कुछ अच्छा हो जाएगा, मज़ा आएगा.
ठीक है. जिम?
They reached out to me about it to say that, hey, we have this film and we want to talk to you about it. I think that was one of our earliest meetings, and I said I'd love to read the script, and they said no, we'd love to give you a narration. And then the usual whatever happens where I say no, I prefer the script, and they're like no, but we want to narrate it, that happens. I always prefer to read scripts personally myself, because I feel I can't react freely if I'm looking
Someone
into
is
the eyes
narrating.
of the person narrating. Then I have to
those expressions थोड़े sincere.
poker face I have to keep,
correct.
like, and just listen, whereas I like, I don't know, reacting or engaging to the script, being like, oh, I don't know what's going on here, but I don't want to throw the person off, so however I was actually very glad that they narrated, because Bugs is a great narrator. He's really good at it. He's an actor and I've seen him on stage many, many times, and he's usually my favorite part of whatever the production is. And so I got this narration. I remember it was during the second wave of COVID, really the serious one. And I wasn't in Bombay, I was somewhere slightly outside. And I remember thinking, oh, great. And wondering if the part they were going to offer me is the same one that I was hoping they were going to offer me, because they hadn't said the name of the part before the narration.
Okay, they just gave you the script, but not the character.
They didn't give me the script.
Like
they
they
said we want to
narrated the
narrate
film.
it, and then they narrated the whole film.
Ah.
And then at the end, I was like, well, which one is it going to be? Is it going to be? And they were like, Vishnu. I was like, oh yeah, come on. You know, because that's the one I liked and connected with. You know? So yeah, that's how it went for me.
Okay.
So how it came to me?
Yeah.
So I remember I was on my solo vacation in Ireland and I was walking in Kilmore Abbey and suddenly I get a call from Bugs. Sorry. I get a call from Bugs.
सिर्फ आयरलैंड में आ जाए. I was in Ireland.
Shut up.
Now you're back to Pune. That sounded like Pune.
No, wait, let me tell my story. Okay. So I had already done 2 films with Bugs by then. One was Barrowed House and there was another one called Pigeon. And so like Bugs called me and he's like, Manjari, I have this really exciting like role for you in this film we are making. I'm like, I'm doing it. I didn't even hear what it is, what was happening. I'm like, because I know Bugs always.
She's good like. We should tell him now.
Quiet. You know, Bugs has always offered me something very out of the box, like very different, like people would not expect that out of me. So I find all the characters he offers me very exciting as an actor, as an artist. So I didn't even hear what it was. But later, when I came back to India and then we had a long narration and everything, I loved the role. And of course, the cast was fantastic. Ketki I met on the set and she's a fabulous actress. And of course, I was looking forward to working. I mean, Jim I was working for the first time with. Amit I have already worked with before. And I have a very comfortable bond with him anyway. So I was very excited about the entire cast and the entire team. I love this team. So,
Ketki?
I gave an audition for this film, and I was just hoping like they'll call me back, but nobody called up. So I was like, okay, fine, I'm not a part of this film and all. But after 6-7 months, I got a call from Bugs, and I never met him or I have never spoken to him before. So I was like, hi, Ketki, Narayan, I am here, Bugs speaking. I'm like, okay.
that's how it talks.
I was like, okay, who Bugs? Because I didn't know who is that person. And now the casting guy, he informed me that, somebody is going to call you. I was like, hey, we are doing this film, Pune Highway, and we would love to meet you. I was like, okay, can you just be like calm and please tell me what is this Pune? Because I forgot that the film name was Pune Highway. I just knew that there is a murder mystery and this is the character. And so I was like, yeah, but I don't know, sir, who you are and like, what is this happening? So he was like, okay, we saw your audition and you gave the audition for Mona's character. But by then I had given so many auditions, like in 6-7 months, I don't know, maybe 100 auditions, 200 auditions I might have given. Then Bugs came to Pune, I met him and then he narrated me the story. And I really liked it. Then I spoke to Rahul also. And then they say, okay, let's go to Mumbai tomorrow. I was like, tomorrow? Why? And he was like, we are shooting in a week. So that's how I got into the film.
मैं आप दोनों से एक चीज़ जानना चाहूँगा. अमित को आई नो लंबे अरसे से. ये दोनों जितनी मस्ती अभी कर रहे हैं, जो मूड में हैं अभी, सेट पे भी वैसी
आज भाई.
I can feel the vibe.
हिंदी में हिंदी में there's this word बद से बदनामी सही. It's like
Bugs say.
जब शूटिंग होता था तभी भी इनका माहौल वैसे ही रहता था या they were like very sincere
No,
pranks and all.
seriousness.
You think so? हम कितने शिद्दत वाले एक्टर हैं, प्रोसेस में आते हैं, प्रोसेस करते हैं, फिर प्रोसेस होके चले जाते हैं.
Please.
When they are in a really serious scene, as he said, they're serious. But when we are not in the scene, it's a crazy set. So, yeah.
Yeah,
It's a crazy set when they are in the scene.
No, we bring that out of you guys. I try to say that. Okay.
Okay, as an actor, कितना important होता है ये आपके लिए कि film is a theatrical release या OTT पे जा रही है? Does it matter?
Are you asking career-wise or approach to acting-wise?
Anything, anyway. both of them.
Approach to acting wise, no, I don't think it matters. I think you should go and try to do your best in
Yeah.
whatever the medium is. If it's theatre, if it's short film, if it's feature film, if it's OTT series, if it's straight to YouTube, whatever. You should go and try to do,
As
try
a
to live a
career-wise,
3D character. And as far as theatre career-wise goes, I think it was a huge concern a while ago. Now I don't know anymore. I can't say. I think everyone, from the biggest star all the way down, they have OTT releases now. So I don't know.
Also,
What do you guys think?
I also feel that you want your movie to reach the audience, and there's no distinction कि ये अच्छा है ये बुरा है. So we are of course very happy and thrilled it's coming on theatre. I'm sure for all of us.
I love going
You
to
know,
the theatre.
but at the end of the
Yeah.
day, we are in the theatre for the audience, and more the merrier at the moment, because it goes into the theatre, then it goes into satellite and OTT. So I'm just happy that and hopeful that it will reach more people. As of now, career-wise and actor-wise, it's a big blessing, So
Yeah.
No, so sorry. Like, if it goes straight to OTT, then you miss the chance of ever seeing it on the big screen,
Yeah.
right? And there is still a nostalgic magic that I feel when I watch something on the big screen. So I love it. So the idea of that theatrical will also result in,
Yeah,
probably will also result in OTT.
बोलने में भी अच्छा लगता है. मेरी पिक्चर आ रही है हॉल में यार. बहुत अच्छा लगता है बोलने में. मेरी पहले जिम में मेरी पिक्चर आ रही है. इसमें
reason
मंजरी भी है, केतकी भी है.
Afterthought. What the heck?
याद रखो उसको, उसके लिए तो कम से कम थैंक यू बोलो.
Okay. Thank you. I'm like, what
No,
would I
but
do
on a
without
serious
it?
note, अच्छा ही लगता है to tell your friend, अरे यार केतकी like will say to a friend and अरे यार मेरी पिक्चर आ रही है, बहुत अच्छा लगता है.
Of course.
reason why I asked this question, like before doing any interview, I do have a habit. मैं आसपास के लोगों से बात करता हूँ that I'm going to interview this person, ये वो ऐसा वैसा. When I was mentioning your name, जो मेट्रो सिटीज को हटा दो, वहाँ पे आज भी जो थिएटर का इम्पैक्ट है, when I like took your name, he was like, oh that पद्मावत guy, he is amazing. ये पूछना, वो पूछना, ये बोल सकते हैं, वो बोल सकते हैं. Like you have done so much good work in OTT space also. Rocket Boys हो गया, Made in Heaven हो गया. But that impact of theatre, उस context में सवाल था.
Okay, what do you guys think?
No, but I think he answered also
Yeah.
that कि सिनेमा का इम्पैक्ट तो होता है जब 70 mm में ऑडियंस जाती है, अपॉइंटमेंट लेके जाती है, फोन ऑफ करके जाती है, तो ऑफ कोर्स यू आर वाचिंग इट लाइक यू लुकिंग अप.
Look at this.
That
It's
energy of an
huge.
entire audience watching one film together at the same time, I think it's
cinema
fantastic.
in a movie you do a 5-minute role, and if you have a good impactful role, people remember. That's the
Yeah.
power of 70 mm, that Dolby, that darkness, that
I mean,
sound. So,
that was the original conception of it, right? You go to something larger than life and immerse yourself into this thing that's humongous, right? There's something that'll always be magical about that.
Absolutely.
Even if OTT continues to rise and rise and rise and rise, I hope it does.
Yeah.
But there's something.
लॉन्ग स्टोरी शॉर्ट, बहुत खुश हैं थिएटर में आ रही है. और गुजारिश है, हाथ जोड़ के विनती है आपके जो भी व्यूअर्स हैं, ये फिल्म देखें.
भाषा के हिसाब से एक्टिंग प्रोसेस बदलता है. लाइक यू गाइस हैव वर्कड इन अदर लैंग्वेजेस, सिनेमा आल्सो. व्हेन यू आर वर्किंग इन साउथ, बंगाली, मराठी, हिंदी, process change of filmmaking, not as an actor.
No, I don't think. I don't think the process of an actor changes. It gets a little more challenging when you're doing a language you're not very comfortable with, or you don't know the language. Like I've done all the South languages: Telugu, Tamil, Kannada,
Correct,
Malayalam, Bengali also, and Marathi also. Marathi, of course, is my mother tongue, so I'm more comfortable with that. I know exactly what I'm saying. But in Telugu, Tamil, Kannada, Malayalam, I had to work a little harder, and I'm sure even Ketki will agree because even that's not your language. So it's like I literally have to learn my lines a week before in advance, so that by the time I'm on set, it becomes a muscle memory, and I'm not thinking what's my next word or my next line, and I can just focus on performance. So it's a little more challenging as an actor when you're doing a different language, but otherwise, as a process, for the character I'm playing, that does not change.
For me, so I think I love working in a different language more than the languages I know, because you get to know the culture, what's the social political issue happening in that region, why we are making that content specifically. And I really like how people changes from region to region, you know. And even in Kerala, I feel I work in mostly Malayalam or Telugu. When I'm working in a comfortable environment in Marathi, I know that I'm, you know, like I know the script, I can improvise, I can talk to my co-actor. But when I'm talking to my co-actor who is not Marathi or who doesn't know Hindi or English completely, communicating with that person and getting to that goal what the director wants is very challenging, but that process is very interesting. You become more humble, you become more, you know, you want to do more for that person or for that director, that okay, I will give my 110% to reach that point. So in that way, I feel it's very interesting. But again, you can't improvise on set. Those are the limitations. Sometimes, because now I understand Malayalam a little bit, so I know that he's saying something else, but I can't say anything on it. So I'll say it in English or Hindi. But yeah.
बहुत सारे एक्टर्स से बात करी है. एक जो मैं चीज़ अक्सर पूछता हूँ कि कितना फ़र्क पड़ता है कि आपके को स्टार्स कौन है और कौन आपको डायरेक्ट कर रहा है. कुछ बोलते हैं हमारे लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, ऐसा ना हो कि हमारा कैरेक्टर या हम एज एन एक्टर उस को स्टार से छुप जाएं. आप चारों के लिए मैटर करता है, लाइक हु इज योर को स्टार एंड लाइक हु व्हाट्स द डायरेक्ट.
What do you mean by छुप जाए?
छुप जाए एज इन उनके परफॉर्मेंस में या उनका स्टार पावर इतना ज़्यादा है कि हम एज अ एक्टर शायद नोटिस ना हो पाए दर्शकों की नज़रों में.
Overpower.
We had that problem. We thought she'll overshadow us. Bro, ये सब नहीं सोचते हैं. So sincere actor है.
In fact, when the actor opposite you is amazing, you feed off each other's energy, and there's always acting is all about reacting. It's a give and take. So when you have a better actor in front of you, you give much more of yourself to that. So I think it just
but ऐसा जो बोल रहे हैं हो सकता है ऐसी सोच है, बट मुझे लगता है पुणे हाईवे के बारे में अगर मैं बोलूँ और इन सब के बारे में जो नहीं है, ऐसा अनुभव नहीं है, सुदीप नहीं है, स्वप्निल नहीं है, शिशर नहीं है, इस फिल्म में जो आप आई थिंक आपने नहीं बोला, हमें बोलते रहते हैं कि टेक अवे क्या है. इस पिक्चर का टेक अवे यही है कि इस फिल्म में ये किसी को ये जो गिले शिकवे और ये सब ये हम आया ही नहीं कहीं, ये बनाया भी नहीं कहीं. और इसका श्रेय, करेक्ट मी इफ आई एम रॉन्ग, सबसे पहले जाता है बग्स और राहुल. जिस तरह ये फिल्म ये लेके आए हमारे पास, जो इन्होंने पहली जो, क्योंकि कैप्टन ऑफ द शिप है, इन्होंने जो पहली जो ईंट इस दीवार पे लगाई, उसकी जो सुर थी, उसकी जो इंटेंसिटी थी, उसकी जो आवाज़ थी, उसकी धुन जो है वो पहले से ही बहुत ही अलग ट्यून से आई. सो वी हैव गॉन टुगेदर एंड मेड अ फिल्म and we are very happy with each other. We have respected each other's time, process, and we are proud of this team and we are proud of this film.
Like the way Bugs and Rahul create an environment on the set, everybody is on equal tables. How much ever work they might have done in the past, or how much ever popularity one actor might have as compared to the other, they kept everybody
But
on
again, I
the
won't
level of character and what you're playing.
Also, I think we were also lucky that we were of the same, at least tribe, or the same voice, or the same, I think.
Both,
And I
same
think
thought
again, I
process.
do agree with you that it goes, the biggest credit does go to Rahul and Bugs to kind of bring that frequency on the
Yes.
table. So.
Yes.
अभी आप लोगों से बात करने से पहले राहुल और बग से ही बात हुई मेरी, फिल्म के बारे में, प्रोसेस के बारे में, बहुत सारी चीज़ें उन्होंने बताई. एज एन एक्टर मुझे बता दो, इस फिल्म का सबसे ज़्यादा चैलेंजिंग या मज़ेदार सीन कौन सा रहा आपके लिए?
The problem is we can't really say this.
Okay.
Because explaining too much about what the challenging scenes were is
Will
kind
reveal
of a little later in the
मैंने
story.
इनको पहचान लिया, ये इतने स्वीट हैं.
हाँ.
ये हंसते हंसते ऐसे अंदर घुसने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि और कहाँ से आए. बग्स और राहुल ने तो मुझे सब बता दिया है. आपको भी बताई दीजिए क्योंकि मैं इतना क्यूट हूँ, इतने प्यारे प्यारे सवाल पूछ रहा हूँ.
I'll take it as a compliment. सबने बताया, like they told me कि कैसे कास्टिंग हुआ, 40 दिन में शूट हुआ, कब शूट हुआ, वो चीज़ें बताई उन्होंने. बट उन्होंने बताया उनके लिए सीन्स कौन से सबसे ज़्यादा मज़ेदार थे. तो वही एज एन एक्टर आई जस्ट वांटेड टू नो, बट एज यू
अगर
सेड
बताया तो आई थिंक मुझे उनकी आगे ब्रीफिंग करनी पड़ेगी फिर अभी कि मत बताओ.
ठीक है, थैंक यू सो मच गाइस
Thank you.
एंड ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट फॉर दिस फिल्म. एंड आई रियली होप कि जब ये रिलीज हो, सक्सेस के बाद दोबारा बैठे, तब मैं शायद इस सवाल का जवाब जान पाऊँ.
Done.
जी बिल्कुल.